Every factory visit starts with understanding the customer's product requirements before moving together into the production area. Walking through the factory, customers observe the production environment while capturing the process from their own perspective. Along the tour, our sales team explains product specifications, introduces the equipment, and discusses details while reviewing bag samples together. Additional bag samples are compared to discuss different structures and product specifications. The visit continues in our QC laboratory, where material strength is evaluated through tensile testing and the results are displayed for review. With a monthly capacity of 5,000 tons, HAPLAST supports large-scale production while maintaining strict quality standards. International certifications and long-term cooperation with global partners further reflect our commitment to consistency and reliability. If you're looking for a reliable packaging partner, HAPLAST is ready to support your business with tailored solutions.